Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So today's going to be a day very similar to yesterday. Our temperature about exactly the same where we were yesterday at this hour, 88 degrees. Dew point values at 74. Nice, humid, juicy air in place across the area. And we have a mix of sun and clouds out there. Feels like temperature is already close to 100 at 97. So again, another day to just take a little extra caution if you're going to be outdoors and engaged in strenuous exercise. Keep hydrated, take some breaks in the shade, that sort of thing. Wind coming out of the southwest at about 9. The sea breeze has started a little earlier today than we did over the last 24 hours, thanks to a lighter wind flow across the region. Generally, temperatures in the upper 80s most everywhere. We'll probably top it out today at about 92 degrees with a 40% chance of rain showers. Building inland, slowly propagating all over the place in kind of random motions, but focused in inland areas through the afternoon. As we get into the evening, a little bit of outflow could cause some of those showers to drift back to the coast with about a 30% chance of rainfall there. Quiet on radar right now, not looking at much happening. I don't think we'll probably see those showers begin to develop for another hour or 2 or 3. Satellite view showing it pretty quiet across the entire peninsula. We don't have any large-scale systems approaching, but we will start to see those cellular clouds building into thunderstorms as we head into the afternoon. So just a little to the north of us, the Hurricane Center is watching this area over land, non-tropical low, forecasted drift to the southeast, kind of merge with a trough of low pressure. And perhaps at that point, once it's just off the coast in the waters here, maybe gain some tropical characteristics. Only a 20% chance, though, over 5 days. It's not much, but it's just a reminder that we are in hurricane season and things can happen in unexpected ways pretty quickly. Even if it did develop, it would move away from the United States, so it's really of no consequence to us in terms of our forecast. The futurecast here put into motion shows a few scattered showers building along that sea breeze front in inland areas. Some of the storms could be rather strong. There'll be a slow motion of these storms as they develop into interior sections, producing perhaps some very heavy rainfall. Motion will be strong, erratic, and focused mostly in inland areas east of the interstate. Then as we head into the evening hours, we might see some motion back toward Gulf waters as they dissipate out here over Gulf waters. That'll be the case today. Tomorrow, I think we may start with a little slightly different flow regime. Here's what's going on. We have this area of high pressure, and underneath of it, the winds are out of the east. That's driving those storms closer to us. Today, as opposed to yesterday, the winds are a little bit lighter, so that push to the west is a little bit less. Tomorrow, that high pressure ridge is going to start sinking a little bit further to the south. And as that happens, we'll see even a lighter wind flow and more random motion. We'll still have showers on our coastline, but fewer of them, I think. Sunny, warm, building afternoon showers, west-moving storms. By tomorrow, I think we'll start to develop a more easterly flow as that high continues to sink south, and we start to see flow around the top half of that high. Southwest wind for us through the afternoon, kind of light, coming in at about 5, maybe 5 to 10. And then as we look at the 7-day forecast, well, today about a 40% chance of rain with a high of 92. And over the next several days, we'll reduce that rain chance to about 30%. As we head into the weekend, I think we'll be able to up the rain chance to 50% or so, but the temperatures remain hovering around the 90-degree mark.